Gary. Nice. Got him. Yeah, baby. Got him. Yeah.
Guys, that happens with Ben's fish too. There's always this period where they're like days like that. The first time in the boat. Keeper fisheries like this, we can get them like that. We're ready. That was great.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, he's wild.
Oh no.
I got a special tag.
Yeah. No, he's not wild. That's a beautiful one.
I got 2 engines on board.
Yeah.
I can keep wild ones.
Yeah, right.
That's a big one. Nice job.
Nicely done, Gary.
Nice job. I don't see a fin. Come on, just kidding.
He was just kidding. Yeah, you don't bring it on the boat when you're kidding. Hard to see it.
Huh?
Well, I think
All right, Tim, you're up.
you're damn right I am.
Make an aisle here, guys. Slide him up.
And there he is.
Good job, Gary.
That's a brute beauty there. See where they clipped that off of there, Corey? See where his fin used to be? When he was just a little fry, they cut that off. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah.
I think you got some snot dripping.
That's a hanger. Here you go.